My name is Zachariah. I like to do iRiSh dancing. If you like to do iRiSh dancing, please like this video of my new VEVO song called iRiSh dAnCiNg. So if you like iRiSh dAnCiNg, then please subscribe to my channel, because we can do iRiSh dAnCiNg together, and you can buy some of my merch. So please subscribe to my channel, cause I like iRiSh dAnCiNg. If you think I'm being a little bit crazy, well, you should listen to this little note I made. Please subscribe because my throat is hurting. And if you like this VEVO video, subscribe. I will do another VEVO video when I hit 50 subscribers.